awesome. This looks so cool.
I'm having all the fun. That was rad. Woo! How'd it look?
It's awesome. I was just sitting on the other side of the sun from you, so like it would kind of like blink in and out of your shadow, and the sun would.
It was beautiful up there. You can see that lake from up there.
Yeah. So we're back down at the 100-gate racetrack, and these guys are running the Paramotor through the trees and everything around here, and we're gonna chase them. See if we can get some pretty cool shots with the sun kind of starting to come down, trees hiding, and them skimming across the ground
You
low.
guys crushed it. That was so much fun.
Well, I didn't expect how low you were going to be to the ground. That looks really cool because I'm like sitting at 6 inches just like shh.
You went through the gate.
Yeah.
That was freaking gnarly. Oh my God.
I didn't see it. It was lucky, but
Nah, it's all professional. You were just tracking. I was like, oh, he got it. Just right through it. All right, so Eric's coming tomorrow.
Okay.
He's full acro. You ever wanted to be a kid and like swing around the swing set?
Yeah.
Like you can do that on a Paramotor.
Okay.
So
like literally over the wing.
Oh yeah. Complete like cartwheel, the wings upside down. You're, looking at the ground instead of the sky. So that was just practice today. So tomorrow's the real show.
Sweet. Awesome.
Good luck.
It's gonna be sick, dude. It's gonna be sick, bro.
Yes!
It's gonna be so sick.
Ah, that was so much fun.
So we just did our first attempt at it. Me and Matt split it up. So he took a battery and I actually got 2 batteries. And, I was just trying to play with different kinds of angles, and I got kind of like down underneath and kind of hid the sun behind him so that it kind of like would peek across the shadow, like the shadow would dance across the lens, which looks pretty cool. Or when he gets really low, just like be right behind his foot when he's scraping the ground with his foot, because it kicks up a little bit of dirt and looks really cool. So seeing lots of stuff that's working, just gotta keep getting some good shots, maybe some reveal shots and some conclusion shots to make this kind of come together. It's not that I'm afraid of the Paramotor, it's that I don't want the Paramotor to break my knees.
Just looking at Nurk's just drone, just like right there, I could like just kick it. I mean, he was a foot and a half away, so I mean, that was the most fun I've had on a paramotor. That was cool to see another FPV buddy flying a paramotor.
Where did it come from? I did not expect a second one to
I
appear.
saw him launch, and I was like, oh, friends! It looked like Bardwell. It really did.
It's the mystery of Rampage. Does Bardwell own a paramotor is the question.
I'm pretty sure it was him. I looked him in the eyes, but you know, with the helmets, it just gets kind of funny. I think he had spectacles on too, so you never know.
Deep in his eyes.
Well, because it's a thing. It's a thing. Like, you're like, are you gonna come next to me? Because I don't know if I want you next to me. I don't know you, but they do like a wingtip bump. They touch tips. They gingerly touch tips,
and they're gonna come next to you.
Yeah.
I really want to do that, but now it just makes me want to do it more. I mean, it just looks so fun. That's really cool. Really cool time. That was awesome.
It's only getting better. That's day one of Rampage!
Okay, this is the last time I'm going to bug you guys about the Stay Flying hoodie and shirt. The pre-order for them ends tomorrow. So if you have not yet placed your order, and you don't place an order, you won't get one. And you won't get the chance to win this awesome little drone from Flywoo. I'm going to be randomly throwing it in one of the packages, and somebody's going to get this drone. There's really not that many orders, so you've got a pretty good chance of getting in on it, so keep that in mind. All right, get on with the rest of the video.
All right, so this has been something that's been in the works behind the scenes. Reese has been just crushing it. We've got some of the best drone legends ever to walk the face of the earth that are gonna be flying, chasing me and David tonight. I can't wait, I'm a little nervous. There's a lot of guide wires, there's a lot of towers, there's a lot of lines, a lot of things that we have to do to be careful. Oh, and not to mention, there's like 300 drones in the sky. So we're doing everything we can to keep it safe, lots of coordination, lots of planning, and in about 35 minutes, we'll be in the air. Let's go do this thing.
Building off his right eye, and then basically come off the building straight, and then roll and go vertical down.
No, I don't like this idea.
That sounds awesome.
No. This is not.
So you think there's any spot like up there where I could just be up top perched? Because then I could see every line of sight to everywhere.
Yeah.
Just keep it going. I wonder if there's a way up there.
There is, you can go on the roof.
And then we could do like half a side at a time.
The plan is basically this. They want to go on top of the building and fly droney thingies. And then he's gonna be flying big droney thingies. You might be flying little droney thingies. And the coordination is basically through Reese, who's gonna say, hey, you guys fly or don't fly.
I think we're gonna have everything shut down, like in terms of other people be flying, so we could take advantage of having line of sight for 180 degrees on both sides and we work back and forth.
Sure. And what I'll do is, Reese will be on the phone with me, and so I can drop in this side, and then when you burn a battery, I can cut over to the other side and crank through whatever courses are over there.
Yeah, exactly.
I am going to come through all of them high first, just to check for wires.
Sure.
So, cool. Yeah. All right, we got to get set up, better set up.
Go. All right, so we're going to the top of this building to chase the paramotor. See you in there.
Go, Max, go.
Thunder thighs.
This man says he knows where he's going.
All the lights. Yeah, yes. I would advise no sunnies, just so we can see lines better, because there's a lot of lines. A lot of power lines. This space is crazy though, it's cool. Just have to get up before the 100 gates and you're golden.
I'm sorry.
Got that? I'm a professional.
So we're gonna let him get a lap of familiarization because he wants to go around and check for wires before he starts flying low. So he's planning on getting some altitude, and then we're gonna start chasing him once he gets back lower.
How was it?
Great, dude. Lots of fun. Pretty sweet flight.
Yeah, it's like now I can catch my breath. There's so many power lines, like
Everywhere.
and the lines off that tower, they're half torn down, but there's one that's the furthest one out, and you can't see it. That was awesome. That was super fun. And you can see the guys on top of the tower, there's like, that was worth the flight up here.
Yeah,
for sure. Super fun. Thank you guys so much for having us.
Okay, we wanted to throw out one last thank you to Aviator, Paramotor, Reese Dakeen, and the Rotor Riot Rampage for giving us the chance to chase these guys. It was kind of a little bit out of the blue, like we met up, we're talking, and we're like, hey, by the way, we should shoot a whole video together. So we were so excited to put this whole montage together of us kind of just getting out with them, following all the rules, and filming some really cool stuff together. I wanted to thank you guys for watching this whole video, seeing what we can do together. Hopefully you're interested in picking up some merch, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. And let me know in the comments, should we, meaning Winston and I, head down to Florida where they're based and learn to fly paramotors whilst teaching them to fly drones? What do you think? Hit that up in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching this whole video. It's been a blast making it for you, and stay flying.
It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I'm a professional.